sisters, Anmol Khanduja here and welcome back to my channel. Recently uploaded a skincare routine where one of you, Nabila Syed, asked me to do a makeup tutorial. Nabila, you are gonna be sorry, I promise you. I can count the number of times I've had to apply makeup on my face, and that's less than 5. Makeup is an art, and I understand. But it's an art that I don't possess. But then again, I have never really tried to do makeup. So this video is gonna be one hell of a video, you guys. That's something I know for sure. I don't apply makeup so much so that I have to buy makeup for this video. Yes, just thought you should know. I don't watch a lot of beauty YouTubers. The only 2 or 3 YouTubers I watch is James Charles and Jeffree Star. We're gonna be recreating the 10-minute drugstore back to school makeup tutorial because a 10-minute itself is a stretch for me and it's drugstore. So let's get started.
Hi sisters, James Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you guys follow me on Snapchat, which if you don't, you definitely should.
My Snapchat is right here, you should follow me too, you know. Just keeping it out there.
For today's video, I sat down and we're going to film a back to school quick and easy makeup tutorial.
You go, sister!
All of the products I have in front of me today are drugstore for those of you who are on a budget. I video girl, makeup can be super expensive. I already went ahead and prepped my skin by showering, of course, in the morning for school, and then I primed my face using my favorite moisturizer.
I have moisturized my face with the Lakme Peach Milk. James hasn't applied a primer, but this sister has got pores. I'm gonna go with the Pac Pore Primer because I've already bought it. Ooh, it smells nice. I wanted to order the pore professional, but I don't know shit about makeup, you guys. It's ironical how the most viewed video on my channel is a testing Sarojini makeup. But I mean, I was testing the quality, so it feels so weird. It doesn't feel like my skin anymore. If that's what a primer is supposed to do, if not, help. Now,
The Elixir foundation, and I'm going to mix the shades 725 and 745.
I don't have the foundation that he's using, so I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. I've heard a lot of good reviews, and I ordered a beauty blender by Real Techniques. I mean, this is not a beauty blender, but it is a beauty blender.
And of course, I'm just going to bounce this into my skin using my damp beauty blender. Oh.
Fuck, is it too much? Is it too much? It's too much, no? It's too much.
You can see my face today recently.
Ooh, sister! He's already blended? Blending this foundation took me 10 minutes. Am I supposed to look like this? Because clearly he doesn't. He looks cute as hell. I told the lady who was buying this foundation, I told her I didn't want to look fair, and she said, no, it's your shade, honey, it's your shade. It's not. I mean, gotta work with what you have. What the fuck?
I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light.
I bought the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer.
Once again, I just grabbed my beauty blender and I'm going to pounce it into place.
Okay. How do you... Oh, I see it. He did it here. Oof. He did it here. He did it here. He did it. Makeup is not easy. Why don't we mix concealer into foundation? That's a good idea. Fuck. Yeah, that's not blending. A part of me really thought this was gonna go good. This is not going good, you guys. Is it ever gonna blend? Why do I look white? What happened? I did the same thing he did. My hands are tired.
Be super stressful as well, and we have all woken up with stress symbols before and stress breakouts. So if you do get one, never fear, don't worry, just grab your favorite concealer and just put it over your pimple. Just
more concealer?
And then
I have belongs to my mom. It's the Maybelline Fit Me. I don't have any breakouts, so...
To set my face in place today, I'm going to be using the Coty Air Sun Powder.
I have the Real Techniques brush. And I have the Maybelline. It broke! How did it break? It broke!
I'm just going to grab a little bit of powder really lightly on my R13 brush from Morphe and just set my under eyes in place. Then I'm just going to grab my R0 brush once again from Morphe to set the rest of my face. Here, and I'm just going to lightly bronze and contour my face again.
I have the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Kathleen likes to talk about this a lot, and I thought since I was buying makeup, let's buy the good one. So I'm going to be bronzing with this one. It smells like pina colada.
Because let's be real, we definitely don't have time to do both.
How do you do it on the same sides? He's the expectation and I am the reality. This is the first time I'm contouring in my entire life. Do I look contoured?
And brush that I use for the contour, and I'm going to dip into the e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm going to use this shade right up in this corner.
I don't like color on my face, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna do it with these blush pearls that my mom has lying around.
Shade right up in this corner right here for just a little bit of orange pop of color to the face. Just add a little bit of life back in. Red brush that I use for the contour, and I'm going to dip into the e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm going to use this shade right up in this corner right here.
Did I do it right? I'm not gonna do more because I don't want to fuck it up. Can you tell? Oh, you guys can't answer. Woo!
Quickly slate the brows today, and for this I'm actually going to use...
I mean, I'm okay with my eyebrows, so I'm gonna keep it the way they are.
We're already getting close to 10 minutes, so I definitely need to speed this up a little bit because we're going to be late for first period. I'm not going to do any eyeshadow for this look today, let's be real.
My sister doesn't like to be late.
Up 10 minutes before the bus gets here, the last thing we have time to do is a freaking smoky eye or some like halo eye or some type of fancy eye look. So I am going to go to the Wet n Wild liquid liner though and just do a quick little line. I'm keeping this liner super thin and plugging the lash line very
using. I use the sugar, not the waterproof one, but today I'm going to be using the waterproof one.
very tightly. I'm not going to be doing a dramatic wing today, and I'm also not going to be wearing falsies. This is just going to help add a little bit more volume to the lashes when it comes to adding mascara.
So I did my eyeliner off camera. I mean, the only thing I do out of this routine is an eyeliner, so there was no fucking up. So I couldn't fuck eyeliner up. But yeah.
Super simple, thin, easy line. If you want to be brave and do a wing, be my guest girl, slay that wing. Definitely not going to be messing with falsies today. Nobody has time for glue and lashes in the morning. Not me, I'll tell you that right now. So I am going to be focusing a little bit more on my lashes. To prep them for mascara, I'm just going to curl them quickly.
I cannot be trusted with a curler because I already burnt my eyelashes a few weeks back. So I'm just going to be using the mascara. And it's the Maybelline Lash Sensational.
Then for mascara today, I'm going to be using the new L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. You guys know I am a ride or die for the Benefit Roller Lash, but that $31 is another textbook, so we're going to have to go drugstore today. Highlighter today, I'm going to use the brand new Wet n Wild Mega Glow in the shade Golden Flower Crown.
Fuck, I forgot highlighter. Well.
Not only will you look like a beautiful glazed donut walking through the halls, but also when your teacher comes up to you and is like, do you have last night's homework? And you know damn well you were up until 4 a.m. watching makeup tutorials, you can be like, bam!
Okay, that wouldn't work, but sure.
Never underestimate the power of a good glow, sisters. And then last but not least for the lippity doodads today, I'm going to go into the soft matte lip cream from NYX in the shade
I have this.
London.
I have this. The only thing I already had.
Shade London.
I have the London.
My best friend sister Laura swears by these. She wears them every single day, all day long, and I love them as well. So definitely a very easy lipstick to carry on the go to school. And last but finally not least, to set our face in place through our 8 hours of hell. Sorry, again, I mean school. I'm gonna get my Morphe Prep and Set.
I forgot the spray.
Alright guys, so this is the super easy and quick back to school glam makeup tutorial all completed. Let's go ahead and actually...
Thank you, honey. It looks so good on camera, but I wish it looked as good in real life. Is that what beauty gurus do? Do they not look good in real life? I don't look different like Nikki Tutorials does. It didn't change me like it changes Instagram people. Do I look like when models do that with the contour? Do I look contoured? That's okay, that's not gonna work. Do you want a montage of me feeling myself? I mean, Jeffrey does it. Wait. It's so cool how much you feel yourself. Is that why people wear makeup? But I feel way better without makeup. But yeah. Nabila, I hope I didn't do you dirty. That's it for today's video, you guys. Yeah, I want to do a Q&A soon. So if you have any questions, leave them down below or on my Instagram. That's my Instagram. Right here. I'm gonna be feeling myself on Instagram too now. And I'll see you next time. Peace. Wow.